Lunar Roadstar SB, 67,000.
As far as warranty is concerned, the Lunar network is not like
Very nice bathroom. Yeah. Oh.
I've checked the length of these beds. I mean, they look alright, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Curves of the beds. Brilliant.
Yeah, it's a very nice place to be, this.
It is, isn't it?
A different sort of, what's the word?
Atmosphere?
Well, no, I think it's the colour of the wood, isn't it? It's quite, there's a lot of light, friendly colours in it.
Yeah.
That's different, isn't it, with a cold curtain? Yeah, little touches like that. Yeah.
Might annoy you.
That might
rattling
a little bit. Yeah, yeah.
Find a way around it.
Yeah. But it's same fridge as ours.
Yeah.
We've got a good TV area here.
Yeah.
Aldi wet central heating.
Yeah.
We controls up there. 4 cooker facilities. Good size. Good size. And they're really deep.
Yeah.
All the way back. That's a cutlery drawer.
Is that the cutlery drawer?
Yeah, comes out.
You've got
Another
access to it through there?
through that side as well, so you don't have to stand in the middle
No.
of the van to get the stuff out.
Look at that tap.
Tap's lovely.
Wow. Different.
Yeah.
Change the microwave again so you can.
Oh yeah, sorry, I'll be lost with that.
You've got a nice little extractor fan.
Extractor fan, yeah. Impressed with this.
I'm liking this.
Yeah. And it's on a Fiat.
Yeah.
Proper alloys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll get a brochure. Right, here with Smart Tow, and they've got the system that we use for towing our little up, and that's an up just like ours. Smart Box Duo is what they use.
Hello, I'm Alan Manson, Chairman and Chief Executive of Half Moon Bay Leisure Limited. We own Smart Tow, Smart Trailers and Bantam Trailers. We're here at the NEC show today to preview our new 2018 Tow Glide 2 self-align A-frame system and our Posi-Lock 90-degree twist-turn locking tow pins. All of our products come with a 2-year warranty. We are full members of the National Caravan Council and the National Trailer and Towing Association. We are professional body members. Our Smart Box Duo electronic vacuum power braking system meets all the regulations required for correct braking on a system using vacuum assisted power braking with a 12-volt pump to the brake servo on the car.
Right.
We also have dual signal sensing as opposed to single signal sensing. This allows the system to be intelligent on downhill braking, not to overbrake, and to arrive at the bottom of a hill with cool brakes.
Yeah.
We are pleased that our system has won the Gold Award in the Motorhome Caravanners Association vote 3 years running, 2014, 2015, 2016.
Right.
We are the only company in the UK to have won the Gold Award 3 years running. HMB Leisure is the parent company of Tower Frame, Smart Trailers and Bantam Trailers.
Here with Smart Tow, so you're going to give us a little demonstration of the tow glide.
Yeah, the tow glide is now back in production, we're pleased to say.
Yeah.
Slightly heavier than the old one, but still only 7.9 kilos, 30% lighter than all our competitors.
Okay.
And so the facility of the tow glide allows for self-aligning. So by that I mean the legs are telescopic.
Yeah.
So it gives you some movement at this end of the hitch before the legs are fully extended to connect on.
Yeah.
Then
and you can adjust it because you never get the car absolutely right.
It takes a little practice, but this gives you more flexibility.
Yeah.
Then when you pull away, the legs extend.
Yeah.
The pins lock in place, and it's secure to tow.
Right. Okay.
It just means hitching up is much easier and much more convenient, especially if you're on your own. You don't need two people. You don't need to think about it quite as much, so less precision.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, I've got the slightly older one here, which I have to line up absolutely correctly.
Yes. With two people, it's not a problem, but on your own, it is more difficult.
Yeah.
Let's just take some of the effort out.
Yeah.
The cam mechanism makes sure they lock in place.
Yeah.
We've got some excellent features that some of our competitors don't include, in a milled channel on the back to stop the leg rotation.
Okay.
So it means that it's kept upright, the pins then don't twist.
Don't twist. Yeah.
So it's a good bit of kit, and we're happy to say it's back in production after a little layoff.
Okay.
We've also got some new products in the. This is the new pin mechanism, so it looks not dissimilar to our old pin mechanism.
Yeah.
So the old pin mechanism, you would screw the tow eye in.
That's the bit I screw in the front of the car.
Yeah, you screw it in and out as and when you need it.
Yeah.
This one we're calling our posi lock system. So this will allow a quarter turn.
Yeah.
So you put the unit in. This will be mounted in the front of the car. This is your pin.
This bit's on the crash bar.
That's on the crash bar, and then when you turn it, the pin locks it in place. So it only takes a quarter turn. It can't free rotate. When the A-frame's on, it'll be locked in place secure anyway, but this secondary device means that it can't escape.
And then you just pull it.
Yeah, much simpler.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's fixed in place then.
Yeah, and what we found is a lot of the cars now, the pedestrian impact areas are getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
And so that's great for pedestrian safety, but it's not so good if you're trying to screw a 110mm pin behind the bumper to a hole that you can't see.
Yeah.
As you know yourself, you've got the long pins on yours on the VW up. When
and it's sometimes,
you need to make sure you get it lined up before you tighten it up.
Yeah.
Whereas this will take that effort out, and it'll be much simpler.
Yeah. As long as you've got it located.
That's it. Twist.
And it's clicked.
The pin locks in place.
Brilliant.
Secure.
Okay. So this is the box that of the bits and pieces that you have inside.
That's correct.
The car.
So this is a vacuum pump. It provides the vacuum to the brake system of the car, to the servo.
Yeah.
It also provides positive pressure to the pneumatic piston.
Yeah.
This piston actuates on the brake pedal.
Yeah.
And puts the brake on and off.
Yeah. And if I remember, that's actually underneath my brake pedal, isn't it? So
it's underneath the binnacle where the pedals are.
Yeah.
But at the top of the pedal, normally you can't see it at all.
You can't see it. No, you have to stick your head underneath to see it.
That's correct. That's correct. And so this is our system is dual sensing, and the good thing about that is, unlike our competitors, when the system's on and being towed, it's on.
Yeah.
But it's inert. It's asleep.
Yeah.
When the brake lights of the motorhome come on, it wakes up. It then looks to our motion sensor in the car to see if there's any deceleration involved.
Right.
And if so, how much?
Yeah.
If you brake gentle, it brakes gentle.
Yeah.
If you brake hard, it brakes hard.
Yeah.
If you've just got your foot on the brake in traffic, there's no braking required. So that's why we think our system's better than our competitors.
That's the dual bit of it.
It is,
yeah.
So it's not just relying on one signal.
No.
Some of the competitors, they have a system that works solely off the brake light switch.
Yeah.
Their system comes on as soon as you put your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
In addition, some of them don't have any motion sensing, or they don't have any proportionality. They're progressive. They're either on
or off.
And they come on fast or come on slow, but not reactive to as you're driving.
To how much pressure you're putting on the pedal.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So this is why you know the car's braking, but it's braking in proportion to the vehicle.
And actually, when we found that most motorhome drivers are quite smooth.
Yeah.
And it doesn't need to come on that often. So what will happen is, if you've ever been in your own car and it's been towed, you'll see the brake pedal as the pedal comes on, depending on how hard it's being braked.
Yeah, that's right. I actually did a video with a camera in the car whilst it was being towed, so I must show you that.
It's not easy to see the actual piston, is it, whilst it's moving?
No, that's right.
And actually, you need quite a sustained brake for it to go for any length of time. And of course, made and tested in the UK.
Which is very important.
Definitely supporting us.
Yeah. Thanks a lot then.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye then.
Looking for the Lexion 660 TR, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, I think we're just sort of overwhelmed by the number of caravans here. We're in the Venus range here, aren't we? So we finally found it. It's a Lexon 660 4 berth. That's the bed. Loads of space in here.
It's a twin axle.
It's twin axle, but it's wide as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Three nice sofas.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice to sit down.
Make up into another bed.
Yeah.
I love this fabric.
Lunar.
This is very nice.
Yeah, we've been impressed with the Lunars, both the caravans and the motorhomes.
Yeah.
They're definitely more stylish.
Yeah. But with all, you know, when you look at them, and I think what we've got in our van
Yeah.
that I like,
Yeah.
they're in the caravans. But I do like that big fridge.
Yeah.
The freezer bit.
Yeah, and it's a decent width, isn't it?
Yeah.
That bed's good.
Yeah.
So we'll have this and the Roadstar SB to tow it.
And that Discovery with the roof.
Oh yeah, Discovery with the
Which we
roof.
need to tow this, won't we?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Won't we?
Mm. Yeah. Need at least
Take
a,
the roof tent with us, and if you really want
Yeah.
to sleep in the roof tent, I could sleep in here, and you could go up in the roof tent.
hang on a minute.
You like the idea?
So this is the Knaus Star Class 690. 34,000.
Nigel MacArthur was just to look at.
Right, Nigel MacArthur asked us to look at this, see if we can get in.
Change on the N25, so it's all clear now. It's on the road again, anti-clockwise junction 8 Reigate. But just south of Bridgewater,
We might have to voice over this because the radio's on. We just, another couple were in here just pointing out there's a real cut off on this bed. It does seem a very tapered bed, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
But it's very well finished. Good quality doors.
Cupboards,
Yeah. That's the even bigger one, isn't it?
Yeah.
There. Yeah.
Nice shelves at the bottom.
Yeah. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Very stylish sink top here. Good size shower.
Any questions on anything? Like a brochure?
Very popular. I'm struggling to film anything inside. But it is it's a wide van, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it seems a lot of space in there, a lot of arm room.
Yeah.
And it's, what's this size then? Let's have a look at this size. No, actually the MTPLM is 2000, massive running order is 1735. So yeah, you would need a big car to tow it. This is the Star Class 565, which would probably suit us a bit better. Because it's single beds, single axle.
Yeah.
There's still a lot of space between the aisles there, as it were. I must admit, we like our single beds, don't we? It's got that lovely new caravan. Yeah, lovely new caravan smell. Put carpet in the shower, that'd be different, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it?
I think got carpet in the shower for.
You'd have to move that, wouldn't you? Because it's special carpet.
Yeah, special shower carpet.
But they've got the previous version microwave.
Oh well, yeah, I'll be all right with that. It's a full cooker. Electric hot plate. It's only a small fridge.
Yeah. Whereas the big one.
The big one had a big fridge,
had a
didn't
big
it?
fridge, yeah.
Yeah. And it's a smallish lounge at the front.
But that one was. I was
Was it?
surprised with that. It felt small.
Yeah.
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 I know you've got that seat, but
Yeah.
that is nice looking through there, isn't it?
What? Looking back there.
Beds, yeah.
Yeah. You've got a bit of a wall there, haven't you? Hello. Got a mirror there.
Yeah, nice shelf. We've probably got a cupboard there. We put dog leads and boots
Mhm.
and stuff. Nice, nice.
Occurred to my tiny little brain.
And you're cold.
I'm cold. That the door's on the UK side,
Yeah,
because that's the front of the caravan.
it is. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm working well today, aren't I?
So it's got a fantastic bathroom.
Yeah. Thought we'd finish just by looking at a little Coachman.
Yeah, just for two. There's
Just for two. Yeah. Oh, it smells lovely in here. I don't know what they put in here. There's the flowers.
flowers.
I can actually smell something there.
It's getting better.
Little radio.
This is great for two, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We'll probably pick up the radio now, won't we? I might have to talk over this. But yeah, loads of space in here for two.
Just a fridge.
But yeah. That's just a microwave.
Yeah, I mean it's not a fridge freezer.
No.
It's just a
Yeah.
small
Have a look at the
size
bathroom
fridge.
then.
Bathroom, I think. It's going to be wonderful.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That is nice. Again, they've got the carpet in the shower.
That's probably just for show time.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wouldn't, would you?
I might do. Massive locker. Yeah. You got a big. Well, you got a big skylight, have you? You got an adequate skylight at the front. And then you've got a roof hecky up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
TV point.
TV point here. It's a nice little cupboards everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
You don't need any travel seats with it.
No. No. So obviously you can sit in the car, can't they?
But it is only a double bed, isn't it?
Yeah, so you're going to make the bed up, but
Yeah.
it's just a pull together, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's nothing complicated.
Nothing complicated. And it's a,
Mind you might get fed up with them,
yeah,
moving them.
yeah, moving the
We had
cushions and
that
everything.
before, didn't
Yeah,
we?
they'd probably just go up the end. You just
Yeah.
shove them up the end there.
Chuck a poppy up the end there.
Yeah, should go up the end. And that's a good sized bed, double bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You watch the telly. The telly's over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Watch telly in bed.
Yeah.
Yep, like this.
Mm.